Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours trying to create content that people actually want to watch? Maybe you have struggled with coming up with ideas, making your videos look professional, or figuring out how to get your content seen by more people. I know I have, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Well, what if I told you there is now a single tool that solves all these problems at once? My name is Daniel, and in this video we will talk about Nim, an all-in-one platform that helps you create viral-worthy content, even if you have zero experience. We'll see how it works, explore its features, and discover how it completely transforms your content creation game. Let's jump right in. Introducing Nim. What if your imagination could turn into reality in just seconds? That's exactly what Nim does. It's not just another AI tool, it's like a camera for your brain, capturing whatever you can dream up and turning it into stunning images and videos instantly. With Nim, you don't need expensive software, complicated settings, or any experience at all. Whether you're trying to create viral content, build a brand, or just have fun experimenting with AI, this tool makes it effortless. Just type in what you want and Nim brings it to life. One click and your image becomes a video. Another click and you can change the entire style. You can even animate faces and sync voices. There's really no limit to what you can create. Now let me show you how it works, guys. Getting started. So, to get started, all you need to do is go to Nim's website. You can use my link in the description for that. When you get to their main page, just hit the Try Now button and sign in with your Google account. So, it's super quick and easy and takes less than a minute. And once you're logged in, you go to your dashboard. There are three main tabs here. The first one is Explore. Here, you can view the videos created by other users. It's a great way to see what this AI tool is capable of and get inspired. Just look at what you can find here. Then there's a Workspace tab, where you can view and edit all the projects you've created. And finally, there's a Create tab. That's where you create your masterpieces. Okay, let's explore the Create tab and see what you can do with it. I gotta say, the choice of tools here is pretty amazing. There are 6 main tools. Text to image. This is an AI image generation tool we've all come to know and love. Text to video. This is where you can create stunning videos using text prompts. Describe. This tool will offer a detailed description for any image or video you upload. Image to video. This tool can animate any static image you want. Restyle. Here you can upload a video, describe the ways you want to change it, and the AI will do that for you. And lip sync. This is an interesting one. It's when you can upload a video, then write a text for it, and Nim AI will make sure that the person in the video voices that text perfectly. Also, there are advanced tools. You can upscale, extend your video, or even add sound and do color grading. And here at the bottom, there are a few experimental tools that will allow you to replace background, add slow motion effects, and more. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring, and in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content I make. Okay, now let me show how some of these features work. Let's look at the text-to-video tool. There are multiple features you can tweak and adjust to make your video as unique and stunning as you want it to be. First, here's a prompt box. Here, you'll type or paste the description of what you want your video to be. Let's say I wanted to generate a peaceful cottage in the middle of a misty forest with warm lights glowing from the windows and fireflies dancing in the air. You can enhance this prompt by letting Nim AI rewrite it. And check this out. Here you can select various additional modes to really make your video stand out. For example, add a character image to be featured in your video. Or add actions, facial expressions, clothing, and much more. Here you can upload an image or a short video, and the AI will write a prompt for you based on it. Below, you can choose a model to work with. As you can see, there's a lot to choose from. All the most powerful and popular models are here, like Kling, Wan, Minimax, LTX, and Hinyuan. You can also pick the most suitable ratio aspect, basically the one that works for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And finally, you can choose how long you want your video to be. The options are 5 or 10 seconds. And the seed, you can just randomize it. Okay, I've pasted my prompt. Now let's hit generate and see what the result is like. It took just a bit of time. And here it is. Wow, it looks pretty great. A cute fairy tale cabin in the woods. Here you can download it or edit it in any way you want. For example, you can upscale your video or add a sound. So, as you can see guys, Nim isn't just another AI tool. It's built for visionaries, not just consumers. Whether you're making viral content, telling a story, or just bringing your wild ideas to life, Nim makes it effortless. Unlike other tools that feel complicated or limited, Nim is an all-in-one creative powerhouse, giving you way more control and flexibility than you'd expect from an AI tool. And the best part about it is that it's ridiculously easy to use. No experience, no problem. You don't need to know anything about editing or animation, just type what you imagine, and Nim turns it into reality in seconds. Compared to traditional video creation, which takes hours of tweaking and fine-tuning, Nim does all the heavy lifting for you while still delivering professional quality results. It's like having a film studio in your pocket, but without the stress. Final thoughts. So that's Nim, your ultimate creative sidekick. Whether you want to make eye-catching content for social media, tell a story in a whole new way, or just have fun experimenting, this tool gives you everything you need without any of the usual hassle. No expensive software, no complicated learning curves, just pure creativity at your fingertips. If you've ever struggled with making videos that actually grab attention, now's your chance to change that. And the best part is that you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself and see what you can create. Use the link in the description, and you'll get an exclusive 50% off your subscription. Don't miss out on this. Nim could be a game changer, and you will want to be ahead of the curve. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.
Love the way you dancing, but we don't even talk now. Now we really racing, never wanna run now. Steady underrated, I'm always on the coast.